Today I have over 15 fall and Thanksgiving themed decor to share with you. They're all from the fantastic creators at Etsy. I'll leave a link in the description to each item I display. Be sure to vote for your favorite, and once I get at least 50 votes, I'll show you how to recreate the winning piece. Three mason jars, a simple wooden box, some string lights, some twine, fall flowers and leaves, plus a dose of creativity is all you need for this cute display. The middle mason jar was frosted. This coating can be found at most craft stores, and I'll leave a link in the description below. The two mason jars on either end have string lights inside them, which can be battery operated, no need for any cords. Place your favorite flowers and greenery in each jar, and twine around the top of the jar. Either find some pre-cut wooden leaves or make them with a jigsaw. You can paint them however you choose and arrange on a table or shelf. Be sure to check out my other fall and Thanksgiving decor videos. In one of them, we do discuss exactly how these cute book pumpkins are made. Grab some oversized wooden beads, paint them with fall colors, and add a tassel to one end and a bow with a sign saying fall to the other end. Simple yet elegant. An old milk can can really add some old world charm to your floral arrangement. I encourage you to try this out. This is truly one of my favorites. I've never seen such a beautiful use of a ceramic face blank. The face has been beautifully painted with pouty red lips and closed eyes, revealing lovely long eyelashes. The hair is made completely of fall leaves and flowers. You can find ceramic face blanks at most craft stores, and I'll leave a link in the description to some for your convenience. Use nails, colored string, and a square piece of wood to recreate this string art picture. I did an entire video on just string art that I encourage you to check out after this one. I'll leave a link in the description. If you have a printer, then you have the ability to print out simple yet elegant images like this. If you want a larger image, you can always send it to your local photo print shop to print any size you'd like for a fairly reasonable price. You can have your image printed on anything from canvas to cardstock and of course a variety of photo paper. Either freehand or use stencils or stickers to make this peppy fall sign. Clock making is very easy. You can find kits at most craft stores. Then just find your favorite ceramic plate and use the proper Dremel bit to drill a hole in the middle. That's it. Put the clock together and you have a very unique piece.
You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better. So much better. I don't fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws.
Use a stick or dowel and some neutral colored yarn to make yourself a fancy feather wall hanging.
Fit into your box. Beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better. I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free.
If you enjoy videos like this, be sure to give a thumbs up to support the channel. In addition, I post videos about wigs and beauty, arts and crafts, home decor, furniture restoration, and much more. If any of those topics sound interesting to you, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on any more upcoming content. I hope that you have a beautiful day, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace out!
Final flaws. You can do